Hello guys, and welcome to another short travel video. And so in today's video, we're going to talk about customizing a travel template with Canva. And so this should take, look, I said 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna change that. But for right now, I'm not. This should take 10 minutes or less. It should not really take you a long time to edit documents inside of Canva. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing. And of course, let's jump on over to Canva. All right, so let's see. All right, you guys should be able to see my screen. So if you guys are using the templates from out of your Travelpreneur Dreams Academy, remember that those are team templates, which basically means that you are not supposed to be editing those. What you want to do is when you get the template over here inside of your portal, you're going to come here to these three dots, and then you're going to press make a copy. So I'm not even going to edit that team template there. I'm going to make a copy because I'm about to just do everything to it. Okay. So now that you see it says copy of, and then you can just come right here and then you can name it whatever you want to name it so that you know for sure that you're copying. And then what you do over here is you come over here and then you could just move to trash. You want to move the team template to trash so that you don't make a mistake and edit it. Because once you edit that team template, the team template is edit. And if somebody goes back in and edits that team template again, your stuff is now gone. So I hope that that makes sense. So let's just jump over here. So let's say that you wanted to put out some travel quotes, okay? Travel quotes, travel quotes. So let's look at this one. This one says, I'll look back on this and smile because it was life. And okay, that's beautiful. All right. So let's say we decided I don't want to edit that one. I want to edit something else. Let's see. Ooh, let's see. Let's look at this one. All right. The potential for adventure makes life worth living. All right. So what we can do first, you have to figure out what are your brand colors. So if you guys have went through, the pre-orientation checklist, you guys have already created your logo and stuff like that. And so if you've created your logo, you probably already know what your colors are or your hex codes for for your for your logo. And so if you don't know what your logo colors are, like the specific ones, the person that made your logo can actually tell you what the hex numbers are. And when I'm talking about hex numbers, I'm talking about this. Um, so you see the numbers, the pound, 05, yada, yada, yada. That's what I'm talking about. So if you don't know those, an easy way, if you've created yours inside of Canva, you could just click on the image and then, come over here and then there you go. You can just kind of sort of copy this. So this is currently on this right here. And so if I was to click on here, of course, it'll change the color there, and then I can get the hex code from that. All right. So my brand colors are actually already uploaded inside of Canva. So I'm going to just change this to my brand color. So you go there and then you want to scroll down. And then so my brand kit is here. You should be able to put all of your colors inside of your brand kit as well. Hit edit or add colors and it will allow you. So I want to experiment with this color. All right. So we got that there. And then, so let me show you this. Look at this. You see how all of this, it says change all from that bluish greenish color to this goldish color. So if I had multiple things that were inside of here that had that on it, all I would have to do is press change all, and it will go through and change every single color that's that color to this color here. And so let me go through and I want to change this to a brown. And so you can edit the whole, let me show you this. I think a better way. Let me do this. I'm going to turn all white into all that color white into my brand color. So this is actually my brand. It looks like it, but I'm going to change that. And so now you see change all. So watch this. Change all. All right. There you go. Look at that. Change that. So everywhere where that specific white color was, change that. It changed that. All right. So let's take it a little bit further. Oh, it even changed this. Let me change this back to white. So some stuff it will change, you know. There we go. All right, so let's come back over here. So let's change this. I want to change this to my brand color. Um, the brown, the dark brown one right here. Then I want to do the change all. There you go. And it automatically changed that. All right. And then so you can always pop your logo there. So my logos are down here inside of logos. And if you guys are trying to put your stuff inside of logo, you can go to your brand inside of your brand kit. That's where you're going to be able to find it. So right now I'm in the middle of like doing my logo and stuff like that. So let's play around with this is the old one. This is the new one. This is the old one here. This is the new one. Well, let me do it like this. This is the new one here. Let me do this. Change this white just so you guys can see. All right, so this is, let me erase that. All right, so you can kind of decide which one. This is the new one. This is the old one. And so I did, oh, and let me show you this. So I'm getting ready to add this, but if you guys have Canva Pro, you can remove the background. So I've never worried about that having a background on there because I honestly just remove it. All right. So this is the old one. And then this is the new one. Y'all let me know which one of the ones, which one of these y'all like. I like this one. This is the new one. All right, so let's see. Let's go back. I'm getting sidetracked. So Lord have mercy. This is missing the image. So let me go press the back button a few times to get my stuff back. I'm trying to get this image back that was right there. Oh, I see what happened. My All right. So let's come back over here. So let's go ahead and add the logo up here. So I just touch that and put it here. Right. All right, so let's make another one. It's really easy to do. So look at this one. This one is already changed to my brand color right here. But let's say I didn't like the background. If I didn't like the background, this would be easy. Come over here to photos. What you can do is you could just type whatever it is that you're looking for. So I'm just gonna type travel. All right. And then you can pretty much just pull it over here. There you go. You can pull that there. And then you can put the location, or you can just leave it just like that. Um, or if you have uploaded a photo, so let's do this. Uploads. Let me see. I think I got an India picture here. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. I was looking for an India picture. Well, at this point, it doesn't have to be an India picture. Let's see. I want a decent picture. Look at this one. I can pull this one over here. And then it kind of sort of just takes in the background. That doesn't look good. Let me see. Okay, that looks better. You can change the color up. So let's see. This is another one we're in pairs. Oh, that's covering everybody's face, so that won't work. But yeah, you can kind of just pick and choose, how you want to do it. Let me see. But yeah, there's so many things to do inside of Canva. Like when I say so many, so many. Oh, this is cute. Where's my thing though? Let's see. Oh, this one. Let's see. This one. This one is cute. Let me see. But yeah, I hope you guys get the gist. I'm just literally just pulling it from over here from Canva, from the upload section. Come on. Picture looks like it needs to get clearer. Let's try it again. That's all right. It was hot. Okay, but yeah, so yeah, that's how you pull stuff over. Trying to think of some other things that you guys may try to do over here. It's so many things to do inside of Canva. When I say so many things, so many, but let's say you didn't like the font. Of course, click on the font and you can change it here. Change the font color to whatever it is, whatever color. So I'm gonna do this, and then let me do change all. Let's do this. All right. Then of course you can add your phone number and stuff, or your you can duplicate something. So let's say this one here. We got this here. We can just duplicate it, and then we're not going to leave that there. We're just gonna, put our phone, our email, I mean, yeah, web address. Well, we just put travel. And then put that there. And then you can center these lines right here that pop up. They kind of tell you whether you got right there. That line tells you whether you got it centered. And so if you want the center it totally in the middle, it should be two lines, that line and that line. That's how you know you got it in the middle. All right, so let's just put this back at the bottom and in the middle. And of course, we can always change the color. There you go. Let's throw the logo on here. Then if you want to, well, you can do this. Let me show you grouping. Grouping, you could just pull over and then grab only what you need. And then it'll kind of group it. And then you can just pull it down as the group versus doing one by one. And then if you like something, of course, you can always duplicate it. And then what I'll do sometimes to get that double effect or the 3D effect, you could change the color in the background to whatever color that you're looking for. And then let's do this. There you go. So yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed the quick short training video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment and I'll love to answer them for you. If you don't forget, if you're using the templates that's inside of the portal, don't forget to hit that make a copy, and make the template yours. Once it's yours, it should say copy. And then you can, make it or, edit it however you want. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.